Okay, so step 11, provider basics. Goal of this step is run provider basics. Provider is very simple, but official docs example is too complicated. So this link. So this is simple app state management, but not simple. So in this document, let's first start from basic example. This is a reference links. So let's get started. Okay, what is provider? Provider is one of the approaches to manage state. You can see there are a lot of other approaches in these links. List of state management approaches. One is set state. We did this in last step. And there's also a lot of approaches. Here we see provider and also Redux and block Rx and MobX. So provider is one of the approaches of this list to manage state. Okay, so let's go next. Okay, install provider package. So please copy this provider code and open editor and power spec. And the Firebase source, please add this provider. And please finish the download completed. Okay, download completed. So let's go back to document and go to next use provider. In this example, we will just provide text string. So let's get started. First, please copy this line. So we just declare string and the boolean value. Paste this. This is just a string variable. So go back to document. Next, we want to add provider in return. So go back editor and please find return material app. And here provider. Okay, this one. And oops, sorry. Add semicolon. So go back document. We want to provide text string, so copy this line and replace create now, not now. We want to provide string. Paste this and so please add string. Okay. And the provider can accept child. So inside child, we will add this material up. Oops. And fix indent and fix semicolon to comma. Okay, that's it. So go back to document. So this is how to provide text string. Official document of example is this: provide a text, provide a string, and create a string, and inside child. This is a bad example, but we are okay because we don't provide a provider in child. We just provide the material app, so there's no problem. So let's go back my document and go next. Consume provided value in home drawer. To consume provide value, you can use provider.ob or consumer. This is a reference, so let's replace drawer header text with test provider text. First, please check the current value, current drawer header, this. So let's get started. Open editor and open home drawer.dart. And please find this drawer header and go back document, copy this code and replace this and save this, sorry, fix comma and quick fix import provider here and save this and check again. Okay, so this change hello provider. So go back to document. This is an example of provider.org. And if you want to use consumer, but consumer became messy, so you need to paste like this consumer. And did you notice that you don't pass down parameter, but you could use provided value? So we don't pass down this provider value, but you can use this value. So this is a merit of provider. So finish.